All right, so this is the paper one,
Yeah.
section B. That's why
Mhm.
it's a longer and extended answer type question. So what I have given the geometric infinite sequence first three term. And
Mm.
what they're asking the possible value of Q, which belongs to the second term. And we need to show that whether my series is convergent or not. So to show the series is convergent or not, my R value, that is common ratio, should be in between -1 to +1. So we'll check how to solve that one.
Yeah.
First, we're going to make the expression for the R, that is U2 upon U1 or U3 upon U2.
Yeah.
So let's do that. R, which is the common ratio, U2 upon U1, and is similarly equal to U3 upon U. R, which is U2 over U1, be equal to Q ln x upon 2 ln x. It is coming out Q by 2.
Yeah.
Now R, which is also U3 upon U2, is ln root x upon Q ln x. So the rule of log here, the power is what? Power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comes in the front. It will be ln x only
Yeah.
and Q ln x. Again, ln x cancel. It will be 1 upon. And these two are, this R, this Q over 2 is
Mm.
same as R, which is 1 upon 2. To equate them, Q upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. What is the result? Q2 cancel. Q square is equal to 1. It means that Q can have two possible values, plus, minus, 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, part B, we need to show whether this sequence is convergent or not. So we're going to check that one. Uh, Second one. So whether it is convergent or not. So Q is 1 or -1. So I told you for convergence,
Yeah.
of geometric sequence, my R values would be basically mod R be less than 1, which means R should be +1 to -1. This should be the R value. So R, which is Q over 2, it means Q can be 1. So it will be 1 by 2, 0.5. Okay. Q
Yeah.
upon 2, which is also -1 over 2, minus 0.5. It is also okay. So this geometric sequence is convergent for both Q value.
Yeah.
Convergent for both Q value. Because I'm getting value positive 0.5, negative 0.5, which are lesser than negative, I mean to say greater than -1 and lesser than 1.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
come to part B. Part B. Given that Q is greater than 0, it means that Q should be what? 1. They're asking us to take Q greater than 0. I am accepting Q value 1 because Q value is having value either positive or negative 1. You have both value. You have
Yeah.
positive or negative, both value. So I need the greater than 0 value, so I'm taking 1. S infinite should be for that 8 ln 3 is given to me. We are looking for find x. What would be the x? Okay. What is S infinite? S infinite is u1, 1 minus r. u1, 1 minus r. What is u1? 2 ln x. 1 minus r, which is 1 by 2. The result is 2 ln x over 1 by 2. That is 4 ln x. 4 ln
Yeah.
x. This is what I'm getting. But this S infinite is equal to 8 ln 3. So 4 ln x is equal to 8 ln 3. So it means that 4 goes this 8 two times. And this ln x is equal to ln 3 squared because this comes in the front of the power of the 3. The rule is log,
Yeah.
the power rule. What is the x? X is nothing but 3 squared, which is 9.
Yeah.
Okay. Now suppose that series is arithmetic so that q is equal to 5 over 4. Now this time this sequence they want to be arithmetic. And for that the q value comes out 5 over 4. And then the common difference, the form of m ln. Given that the first nine terms are the same. So that q is equal to 5 over 4. So this time this is arithmetic. So arithmetic means common difference would be same. Common difference, which is represented by D, is u2 minus u1. Also, we can say that u3 minus u2. So when I do u2 minus u1, it is q ln x minus 2 ln x, and that is equal to ln root x minus q ln x.
Yeah.
So q ln x plus q ln x, that is equal to ln root x plus 2 ln x. Q ln x, q ln x will be 2q ln x. And here it is ln x raised to the power 1 by 2. And here it is ln x raised to the power. So this ln x is equal to 2q because that power comes in the front of the x, and this is ln x 1 by 2 times x raised to the power 2. So ln x 2q is equal to ln x raised to the power, add the power 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 would be uh, 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 5 by, this 5 by 2. So what I can say, therefore 2q is equal to 5 by 2, and q would be what? 5 by 4. This is what my q is. Okay,
Yeah.
write this down. Is that done?
Yes.
So q is 5 over 4. That's what we need to show, and be shown. Coming to C part 2. Common difference would be, common difference should be, that is d equal to m ln x. What is the common difference we got? If you remember, the common difference was u2 minus u1, which is q ln x minus 2 ln x. U, which is 5 over 4 ln x minus 2 ln x. So this would be ln x raised to the power 5 over 4 minus ln x raised to the power 2.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
here we use the quotient rule of log 5 over 4 upon x raised to the power 2. So what will be this? Ln x raised to the power 5 over 4 minus, so when you subtract 5 over 2, 5 over 4 minus 2, the LCM is 4. We'll cross multiply 4 times negative 2, negative 8. That result is 5 minus 8, negative 3 over 4. So this is ln x raised to the power negative 3 over 4, which we can write again as negative 3 over 4 ln x, the rule of log.
Yeah.
It means that this m ln x is what? M is some rational number. Q belongs to
Yeah.
rational number. Rational number. And what is the m? M is negative 3 upon 4. So this is that structure.
Mm.
M ln x. M is negative 3 over 4 ln x. Okay?
Yeah.
Given that the sum of first and terms of the sequence is ln x raised to the power 5 root under. We need to find sum of first and terms of the sequence. So I hope you know the formula for sum of first and terms of the arithmetic sequence.
Yeah.
Sum of and term of AP is n by 2 2u1 bracket n minus 1 times t bracket close. So it is n by 2, 2 times u1 is 2 ln x plus n minus 1 d. Was the d? D was, you remember, negative 3 upon what we got? Negative 3 upon 4. D was negative 3 upon 4 ln x. Simplify this, it will be n by 2, 4 ln x minus 3 upon 4 n minus 1 ln x. What I'm getting here? N by 2, 4 ln x minus 3 by 4 and ln x plus 3 by 4 ln x. We have the two terms of ln x here, ln x, ln x. So 1 n by 2, 4 times 4, 16 ln x plus 3 ln x upon 4 minus 3 by 4 ln x and ln x. So it is n by 2, 16 plus 3, 19 by 4 ln x minus 3 by 4 and ln x. Okay,
Yeah.
it is given that the sum of first and terms of the sequence is ln. So let's equate that with ln root under x raised to the power 5. So this 1 by 2 ln x raised to the power 5 n by 2 19 upon 4 ln x minus 3 upon 4 times n ln x. 2 cross. So we have ln x raised to the power 5. This will be 19 and ln x minus this one and e by 4n square ln x. So this can be written as now here 5. This is 8 marker question by the way. That's why it is taking so much step. 8 marker. The D is 8 marker.
Yeah.
5 ln
Okay.
x and this is 19 n ln x upon 4 minus 3 by 4 n square ln x. I can see ln x in all the terms, so I just get out this ln x. It will be 5 19 n upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 n square. So 20, taking 4 as the common and cross multiply, it will 19n minus 3n square. This 3n square
Yeah.
minus 19n plus 20 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
So how do I simplify this? I will simplify this by doing 3n square. 15 times 4 is 60 because 20 times 3 is 60. So it will be 15n minus 4n plus 20 is equal to 0. So taking 3n common and minus 5 minus 4 common and minus 5 equal to 0. 5 minus 5, 3 and minus 4 equal to 0. So what is that? N is 5 or n is 4 upon 3. What is the value of n? N is the term number. N is the number of terms. So n is equal to 5 is the term. We will not accept 4 upon 3, which is a fraction. Because n is always in positive integers.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's comes to the last one. This is from your priority, priority and distribution. Read the questions, try to understand. Carmen plays a game in the star fair, play the stars, legend cards face down the table, three of the cards say win. They get inside, others say try again. Carmen draws table one after the other. Without it. What is the without replacement? Do you know what is the without replacement thing in the priority? Without replacement. Without replacement means what? Without replacement means when you're putting something,
Yeah.
not putting things back. Whatever you're taking from the bag, from the things, putting it back into that thing.
Yeah.
So when you take one card, you don't put that card again on the table.
Yeah. Okay.
Game ends when Carmen draws the card saving. We
Yeah.
don't have the number of cards. It says that the stall owners lays n cards. So number of cards is n.
Mm.
Number of cards is n. Three among them. Three among them is written there win win. Three card is having written win win. And on the others say like rest of them. I don't know what is the rest of them, but rest of them is written try again. Try again. I don't know how many times of try again is there, but three is the win.
Yeah.
Now number A Find the probability in terms of n only. Find the probability in terms of n only. The game will end in her second row. So in the second row only, the card comes out what? Win.
Win.
So total number of cards. So what is the first row? Try again. And the second drawn, it is win. So total number of cards are n, and among them, three are the winning card. So what are the try again card? Total minus three, n minus three, upon total card, which is n. So n minus three upon n is the probability of getting try again card in the very first row. In the second row, it got the win card. So one of the win card. So three are the win cards. And this case is without replacement. So my sample size will also decrease by one. This is what the answer is. But we need to simplify a little bit. So it will be 3 times n minus 3, 3n minus 9, and n times n squared, n times n minus 1. So it will be n squared minus n. This is that property.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm?
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Coming to the part B, this time given n is equal to 8. So you have given the number of cards now. In part B, if you see, you have given n is equal to 8. It means
Hmm?
your number of cards are clear. That is 8 cards. Among them,
Yeah.
3 are the winning card. And then what will be the number for the losing card? 5, isn't it? 5 card will be try again. Find the probability that the game will end on her second, I mean to say sixth draw. Sixth draw, probability that she wins on sixth draw. It means
So,
what? It means what? First 5 drawn, she lose, isn't it?
yeah. Yeah.
So first will be try again, time second would be try again, third would be try again, fourth will be try again, fifth will be
Hmm?
try again, and sixth will be one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So try again card is how much? 5 cards. No? 5 cards are try again. So it will be 5 upon total 8, then 4 upon 7 because we'll not take that card again. Then 3 upon 6, then 2 upon 5, then 1 upon 4. This is what the probability of getting try again in the first 5 try. And the
Yeah.
last, how many cards I remain with? First I have 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. Now I have 3 cards only. And all those 3 cards will have won. So it will be 3 upon 3.
Yeah.
So this is that probability. You can simplify this like 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 cross, 3, 3 cross, 3 times 6, 2, and this 5 and this 5 also cross. We have a lot of cross. I think in the numerator we haven't left anything. So it is 1 in the numerator. The denominator we have 7 times 2 times 4. It will be 1 upon 56.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Next part. The Carmen plays a game with n is equal to 8. She pays $6 to play. She pays $6 to play and can earn back depending on the number of draws it takes to obtain the cards that she win. She earns no money back if she obtains a card say win on her sixth draw. Okay.
Mm.
Let
Yeah.
M be the amount of money that she earns back playing the game. This information is shown in the following table. I can see the table. The number of
Yeah.
drawn is 1, then money back will be $10, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3K plus 4, 5 is K plus 3, and on the sixth drawn, if she got 1, then that would be no money for that because ultimately on the sixth drawn, you are only left with the 3 card, and that 3 cards will have 1 on that. So anybody can win. If you take first 5 cards and none of them is 1 among them,
Mm.
then you take all the possibility of try again.
Yeah.
So let's find the things accordingly because we need the priority. We need the priority for all this winning. Let's say the first and then second and then third like that.
Yeah.
Hmm. Then my question. Now, see, I'll tell you one concept here. Basically, one concept that required. Find the value of k so that this game is a fair game. They are talking about fair game, isn't it? Playing the
Yeah.
casino, playing the money, and talking about the fair game. Yes, we have the fair game. When it will be fair? It will be fair when whatever money she gave, that she will
Yeah.
return back, isn't it? So she
Yeah.
gave $6 to play this game. If she
Yeah.
get back that $6, then it means this is the fair game. Otherwise, if she won, then again it's not a fair. If she won, it
Yeah.
means like this game is not fair. If even though she loses some of the money, like then again it is not fair. So to make it fair, whatever she gave, she need to get that back. Let's find the probability first. Probability of win in the very first. That would be there are 3 won card out of 5. So this is the probability. Probability of winning in the second is what? Let's see lose in the first. That is we lose in the first, which is 5 upon 8, and 1 in the second, which is 7 upon. I mean to say, what is the total winning card? So total winning card is 3. It will be 3 upon 7, which is 15 upon 56. If she win in the third, so it means that she lose in the first two, which is 5 upon 8 and
Yeah.
4 upon 7 and 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6 is the probability of winning in third chance, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 3 times 2, 2, 2, 4. So 10 times 2, 5 times 2, 10 upon 7 and 56. Win in the fourth, win in the fourth. So lose in the first three, which is 5 over 8, 4 over 7, 3 over 6. This is the losing in the first three and winning in the fourth. So see, we have 3 winning cards. Now, how many cards left? 5 cards because first 3 is used. So we have 5 cards now. 5, 5 cross. 3 times 2, 6. 2, 2, 4. This is 6 upon 56. Winning in the fifth chance, that is 5 upon 8, 4 upon 7, 3 upon 6, 2 upon 5, loses in the first four, and wins in the last, fifth one. So which is 3 winning card out of 4. What I left? 5, 5, 3 times 2, 2. So I left with 3 upon 7 at 56. And we know the P6 is what? P6 drawn. P6 we already find. That is 1 over 56. 1 over 56. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
So we all have, we found out all the probability. Let's make the first also the denominator 56. So 3 upon 8. So it will be multiply 7 and 7. So it will be 21 out of 56. Now, we want to make this game as a fair game. So it means that what I'm going to do, I will make the summation of x times px is exactly equal to 6. What I mean to say, summation of x times px is equal to 6. Because $6 he paid, so you need that $6 back. So it will be, let's do this. The x will be $10 when she won the very first time. That is 21 over 56 plus